Hello everyone, this is Edward Lebeduk, sales engineer from InterSystems, and today I would like to tell you about Python Gateway template, which is an utility to let you start Python Gateway from scratch, and you can get it running in a few minutes. I'll demonstrate it today. And Python Gateway is a set of community tools and utilities to orchestrate the running of Python content from InterSystems Iris. I'll show you how to get it running and what resources you have to help you with development of your own intelligent solutions with InterSystems Iris. So this is an open exchange page. This is where we start, and first of all you need to go into repository for Python Gateway template, and as this is a template, you press this button, use this template, and create your own repository with the same code. I would be using this template because it's mine, but you need to press this button. So after that you need to first of all clone your new repo. It would be not InterSystems community but your GitHub username instead. I'm using Windows, but it works on any operating system. As a prerequisite, you of course need to have Docker running. That's non-negotiable. Alright, so we cloned our repo and let's move into it. And first, we do a Docker Compose build, which would build our template. It's very fast because most of the heavy lifting were done on a previous stage. Now we are just loading the current code and compile it. That's pretty much it. All right, so we built our project and now we are running it with Docker Compose up. A few notes about Docker Compose YAML. Let's see what's interesting here. So we are publishing reports of 51773 and 52773. If they are busy in your on your system, you need to adjust them. It doesn't really matter which port they are running. So anyway, let's see. Docker Compose report success. We can see what containers are available. Yeah, there's one container. It's exactly what must be, and if we check the logs, we'll see that InterSystems Iris started successfully. So if you're just starting, the first tool you need to see is this guide. So it contains an exercise which walks you through the process of adjusting a InterSystems intelligent solution, and you explore how different parts of it work together and form a robotized, self-contained and self-training solution. At the end of the exercises, they're all interactive. There are links given to the correct parts of your InterSystems interoperability production. You have some links. So first of all, convergence analytics. It contains a list of webinars, articles, collaboration experience, tutorials in various languages, in English, in German, and in Russian. And it also contains several use cases, several showcases about robotized ML in production, text analysis, engine condition classification, finance, retail, marketing, some time series, house debt prediction, finance again, and this is network. So, and they contain examples for Python Gateway, R Gateway, and Julia Gateway. If you want more examples, you can access ML Toolkit. Write to us at mltoolkit@intersystems.com, and you will also get access to that. There are even more details and showcases there. Convergent Analytics also provides a user guide, which is I'm not sure if GitHub actually can display PDF documents, but oh yeah, it can. Well, only the first page. No, my browser is going to. There are about 100 pages total. Right, it's only 77 pages on a public one. In ML Toolkit, we hit 100 pages recently. So anyway, there are a lot of information about how you access and install the Python Gateway and all the tool chains. Anyway, Python Gateway-Template, well, it's already running, and we've seen it works here. But I'd like to showcase something else, some more examples of work. It also contains a Visual Studio Code helper. You open this folder in the root repository folder in a Python Gateway, and it automatically connects, and you can browse the code. Let me show you. You have this packages. Here is the ML package contains the showcase, and sample package contains a very simple example of calling Python from InterSystems Iris. We can, for example, debug these methods. As you can see, local variables, and here we built a Python variable called mylist, and then later we retrieve it as a JSON, and in a string you see the value of our Python variable. Very many other ways to interact, but if we, for example, save here and compile the code, it would automatically be available in our repository, and yeah, here's the change, so we can commit, and this way we can have our write commit try cycle to be a very short one. Some additional capabilities. So we can log in inside our container. The name is Iris, and to access container's operating system, well, it's not truly an operating system, but something resembling a operating system. Just bash, and you know, all the information is here, and we can also access iris session iris to get right inside Iris terminal. Here we are. As you can see, we're in a 2020.3 advanced analytic build, so everything you read about integrated ML is also available here. And we also provide a Python shell inside our Iris shell. So, for example, this also works. We're importing random package and call it. And we get results back, different results every time. Not actually guaranteed, because I think random is just a pseudo random generator and not a true random generator. But anyway, So with Python Gateway, you can access and orchestrate Python code from InterSystems Iris, and with template you can easily start developing your own intelligent application in a few minutes.